everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. So today's video is going to be a little bit random, and by random it's not beauty or Disney related. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my 5 everyday essentials that are things that I just literally need in my life every single day. They're really random, all over the place. There's no specific meaning behind any of them. I just wanted to share with you guys some of the things that I use on a daily basis that maybe not everybody thinks about. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to just stop talking here and let's get right into this video. So starting off, I want to talk about my first everyday essential, and that is the Crystal Light packets. So I drink a 40-ounce Hydro Flask water bottle 3 to 4 times a day, and as much as I love water, it's not that appealing to drink a lot of water. So in order to get myself going and want more water, I like to use the Crystal Light packets. Now these Crystal Light packets are usually good for like an 8-ounce beverage, so the flavor is very diluted, but it still helps just give the water a little bit of flavor. Right now I'm obsessed with this citrus one, and the other one I have is raspberry lemonade. Any of the lemonade ones are amazing, but what I really like about this citrus one is it has caffeine. They have like 4 or 5 different flavors that have caffeine included, and I've been really trying not to drink any caffeinated beverages, so this is a good way to kind of wean me off, and it's just a little bit of caffeine to get me throughout the day, and I'm very, very pleased. So Crystal Light packets are definitely an everyday essential for me, and if you guys get tired of the taste of water, then I highly recommend maybe trying these out. The next items I want to mention, they're gonna go 2 for 1, and they are protein shakes. So my favorite purchasable protein shakes are the Premier Protein caramel flavor. I've tried so many other flavors, and this is the one that tastes kind of like a dessert. It motivates me to drink the whole thing because sometimes protein can just have a really bad aftertaste, and I don't have any issues with these. These are 160 calories, they have 30 grams of protein. There is only, let's see here, there's only 4 grams of carbs in an entire protein shake, and they just taste really, really good. I've tried a lot of different proteins, and like the ones that you can buy, like the packages that come like this, and this is by far my favorite. So if you're ever wanting to try out a new protein shake and you don't really know where to go, I highly recommend this one. Along with that, I wanted to mention my Blendjet. I bought this at Christmas time. I bought one for myself and one for Devin, and this is to make your own protein shakes or smoothies on the go. So what I do is I use vanilla protein powder and a little bit of milk, and then I put in a couple scoops of Nestle, I think it's Nesquik. It's like the chocolate powder that I just put inside. So instead of doing the protein, like chocolate protein, I use vanilla protein with chocolate powder. I know that's weird, but it just tastes a lot better to me. And these are really inexpensive, and they're really good for on the go. I could throw this in my bag for work, and I could also like easily bring this to the gym with me if I need to drink a protein shake while I'm at the gym. So I really like this, and I am a big fan. They come in so many different colors. I got purple because purple is my favorite color, and I got Devin black. So we've been using these every day, and it's just a daily, everyday sort of thing for me, and I am so happy that I bought it. The next 2 items I wanted to mention were actually gifted to me, and they were gifted to me just to try out. They reached out to me. This is the company called Simple Shine, and the company reached out to me just to try out some of their products, and I said why not, because I literally wear white tennis shoes all the time, and they always get dirty, especially this time of the year, and I thought why not try them out, because these are things that I could use every day, and they have become everyday essentials for me. So the first is the Premium Shoe Cleaning Erasers. It comes as a pack of 3, and these are really, really nice. Now I know you guys are probably thinking, well, you could use magic erasers, and I used to use magic erasers, but the issue I have with those is that they deteriorate when you're using them, and I do not have that issue with these. So this is wrapped in plastic. They're individually wrapped, but they're white, they're very thick and sturdy, and they also have, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, they have these little bumps in them to kind of help get that groove going when you scrub your shoes. It takes 10 seconds literally to wipe off my shoes, and I could not be happier with these. They're relatively inexpensive. I can link them down below for you guys if you want to go check out their website, but these are really, really awesome. So if you get your shoes dirty all the time and you like to use magic erasers but you hate that they fall apart, because I get so frustrated. Like yesterday I was using a magic eraser to clean something and it fell apart in my hand and I was like, oh God, why? But these work really, really well and I think that you guys would love them. But the other one I wanted to mention from them is the Simple Shine Premium Shoe Cleaning Wipes. And these are really handy to go for like on the go. So they come in packs of 10 in a little skinny little pack like this, so that if you get your shoes dirty on the go, you can just take these out and wipe them down. These work just as well as the erasers. These are a little bit more portable, so I can throw a pack of these in my purse and they're really, really awesome. They are something that like I never would have thought I needed, except for now that I have them, I don't think I could live without them. So I think that you guys should try these out. If not, like out of the two, I really think that these shoe cleaning wipes are an awesome find and something that not a lot of people think about, but you probably need in your life. My next item is a food item and it is actually a seasoning. So Devin and I eat a lot of ground turkey and chicken, and if you don't season your chicken or ground turkey, it can taste very bland. And what we've come to notice is that our favorite is the Grill Mates Montreal Chicken Seasoning. Now I bought this large container from Costco. They sell the chicken and the steak seasoning. The steak seasoning is my favorite steak seasoning as well. But the chicken seasoning is just so yummy. It doesn't overpower the meat, which I really, really like. It just adds a little bit of flavor, a little bit of an extra kick to it. It's not spicy, but it just has the right mixture of ingredients that I really think they just came up with like the perfect blend, and it just makes our food taste a lot better. We can get into that whole meat and like meal prep thing in another video. Let me know if you guys want to see something like that. But I just wanted to mention this seasoning because this is the best seasoning. I use it every single day, without a doubt. I use this every single day on my meat and I could not be happier. Okay, so the last item is actually a life hack that I discovered on YouTube. I can't remember who it was because it was so long ago, but it is to clean your brushes. Now a lot of people buy brush cleansers, a lot of people buy specific sponge cleaners, and they just never work for me. So I found this hack from, I can't remember who it was, but she is talking about the pink Zote or Zodi soap, and you can get this at Walmart for, I think I bought this, I just had to get this today, I think it was $1.19. This is the best soap to clean your brushes and your sponges. This is a laundry soap, but it's safe and it's delicate and it's it doesn't have any like harmful chemicals, so if you use it on your face, it's fine. You use it on your clothes, you're good. So this is really, really cool. There's two different colors. I prefer the pink. I don't really know the difference, but the other one I think is a little bit more of like a bleaching property, so we're not using that on our face. You want the pink one, and it's just so easy to clean. I just take this, I run it under the water, I run my sponge under the water, and I just kind of like washboard it like back and forth, and it just cleans them so fast and so easy. It is the most impressive thing ever, and I'm obsessed. So if you guys are looking for a life hack or an amazing product to clean your brushes and your sponges with, I highly recommend this. This is a daily essential for me, and I could not be happier. It's only $1.19. Like, who could even, like, you can't even doubt this. So you guys should give it a try. If you have not tried it before, definitely pick this up. So those are my 5 everyday essentials. I know that they were completely random and in such a weird variety, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or comments, as always, please comment down below. I love talking to you guys. And again, I told you this in my last video, we were doing 3 videos this week, so this is number 2, and you will be seeing one more video from me this week, so get excited. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you all so much, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys!